welcome back. Today we're gonna start on our Unit 2 rotational motion and we're gonna get started with circular motion part 1. Let's go. First we're gonna make the distinction between rotation and revolution. Rotation is when the axis of rotation is within the object itself. An example of this is a spinning top because you can see that the spinning top is rotating about its center, which is touching the ground. Now, revolution is when an object turns around an external axis. So its axis of rotation is outside of itself. And an example of this would be orbits, because we see that planets are orbiting around the sun rather than the sun spinning itself. Now we're going to talk about angular distance. Angular distance is the arc length divided by the radius of the circular